Okay, after so much time, I finally have the opportunity to reveal them. There's Cece. We had to take the other rabbits out because she surprised us. We have 3 little ones. They are so cute and small. She doesn't like it when other people get near them though. But since I'm around her all the time, I can get this close. This one is Dot, Dimple, and I can't remember what name my sister gave this little one, but I'll probably mention it later on. But yeah, I've been so busy worried about this because this is my first time ever having little kits. But so far so good. They're growing and they're dreaming. I can't wait to see them when they finally have fur fully though. Well, I'll see you later. What's going on here? Look at you. Oh, there we go. Aww. Cece, you did a good job. You guys have gotten so big since the day you were born. Aww. Update. Here's Mama. And here are the little ones. 2 of them, their eyes have finally opened. Oh. Their eyes have finally opened. I couldn't be happier. Dimple and Tata. No, wait. Dot. Dot and Tata, their eyes are open, but for some reason Dimple, who's bigger, his eyes haven't opened yet. But they can all hear now. Look at how cute they are. And there's Mommy. Oh, I'm coming!